everybody. A very good evening to all you lovely ladies and a digital hi to everyone. I hope you guys are doing good and I hope everybody can hear me. Please give me a thumbs up if I'm all audible. Great. So let's get started. Welcome to Forever Star India, ladies. I hope you guys are all set, excited. This is your time to, begin your journey into the glamour world. And this, of course, is your first step. It's an immense pleasure having each one of you here today. And just to brief you about the platform first, Forever Star India is organizing two of the biggest and the most unique pageants of the country, Forever Miss and Mrs. India, running simultaneously. And the idea behind these beauty pageants, it's not just a very brief process, but a process of a lifetime, because you get associated to us with a period of lifetime. And the idea remains to create a community of like-minded people, like-minded women like you, who are unique, interesting individuals. So thank you for taking out the time today. And we are really, really excited as a team to know more about you guys, because I'm sure you are, wonderful women who are just trying to create a unique identity for themselves. So I welcome you all again. And just to brief you about the audition process, we will be going in two steps. The first step will be your interaction with me, which will be all about your introduction. So please keep it very crisp and about, your little bit about you, your place, and then of course your hobbies. What do you enjoy as an individual? And to end up with, why are you here today? आप वो crown क्यों जीतना चाहते हैं? What is the motivation behind, you appearing in front of a virtual screen talking to an absolute stranger? So what brings you here? So that will how we'll be winding up. And to conclude the audition process for each one of you, we will be having a little glimpse of your ramp walk. So 2 rounds, because what is the delay to start your modeling journey? It should be right away from today itself. So all the best to everyone. And before, of course, I take over with the interaction, we have a very, very special guest with us, Rachel, who is a participant of Forever Star India since a few months. She has been associated, she has been growing, she has been groomed through our trainers who are 150 plus experts from different fields for that matter. So I'm sure, who better than a person who same shoes mein raha ho, who has experienced the same process. मैं एक टीम मेंबर हूं, तो मेरा एक चीज कन्वे करने का एक तरीका होगा, but the participant will have a very similar experience of what the future holds for you. So Rachel will be taking over and will be talking about her experience in a short brief. So over to you, Rachel. Welcome on board.
Thank you, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you can go ahead.
Okay. So hello, everyone. I'm Rachel. I'm a city finalist from Tamil Nadu. And by profession, I'm an occupational therapist, and I'm pursuing this because it's my passion. Okay, so I started this journey, say, 2 months ago. I was tense, just like all of you. I was sitting in front of the camera and praying, and that I don't forget my lines, and it was all the same. So I just want to tell you guys that, coming this far, confidence is the only key. Okay, you have to be unapologetically confident in your own skin, because I was the girl who people used to say, you're just an average looking girl and all of that. But at the end, I realized that that was my superpower, because I'm average looking, just like millions of girls here. I feel much more confident, and you guys can relate with me. Like, oh, she's come this far. If she can do it, I can do it better. So if I can do it, I'm sure y'all can do it. And just be happy. And when you introduce yourself, the only secret to it is that, speak from your heart. And when you walk like you own this place, and, you've been doing this for the past 10 years and nobody can question you. Walk like that. And I think, you're all set for this journey. Just cherish every moment and, take the training session seriously and work hard. And you'll be where you want to be. Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you, Rachel. Thank you. Thank you for your lovely words. And I will be moving forward. But before that, we have to introduce who is the jury today. आपको judge कौन करने वाला है, आपको guide कौन करने वाला है. Who better than the director of Forever Star India, our boss lady indeed, Miss Kirti Chaudhary. She will be, guiding you for that matter throughout the journey, and she will be here to, supervise the entire concept in detail. So welcome on board, ma'am. It's an absolute pleasure, and I'm sure you must want to say some words to the participants.
A very good evening, Harry, and a very good evening to each one of you. First of all the best for today's audition. I'm sure everybody's feeling a little excited and a little bit nervous also. So when you have a person like Harry who is going to interact with you, trust me, it won't be much of a problem. You'll be really confident while you're talking to her. Let me just tell you that language is not a barrier. If you're comfortable in English, you can keep your introduction in English. If you're comfortable talking in Hindi, तो आप हिंदी में भी अपना introduction दे सकते हैं. Just make sure that you're able to convey what you really want to do in your life, what you are passionate about, what your aspirations are. Why are you exactly appearing for this audition? आप क्यों ये audition देने आए हैं? Right? So that's what we want to know. Firstly, you'll be introducing yourselves, and then you will be doing 2 rounds of your ramp walk. So all the best, and let's move further ahead.
Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. And moving forward, let's hear it from the ladies now who are here and waiting and all excited. All the best to everyone. Do not feel nervous at all. Just interact with me like you interact with your friends. I am more than excited to hear from all of you. So let's hear it from Ashna Shinde first. Hi Ashna, how are you? Okay, I think. Hi Ashna, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me now? Am I audible?
Yes. Your video is buffering a little, but your audio is pretty clear. So we can proceed. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. And can I please have your introduction?
Yeah, I'm Dr. Ashna Shinde. I'm 34 years old and I'm a happily married wife of Dr. Bhaumik Shinde and also a proud mother of 2 children, Rudra and Kanishka. I belong to Surat City, which is also known as Silk City and also the Diamond City. By profession, I'm a doctor, but due to immense interest in the field of filmmaking, I'm pursuing advanced filmmaking course from Whistling Woods International Virtual Academy. I'm an optimistic person. I look at things in a positive way, thinking that the glass is half full rather than half empty, like most about myself. My philosophy in life is to stay morally upright despite the prevalence of immoral acts in our society, to respect and gain respect, to become a friend to everyone, and to be able to help other people. My hobbies are painting, reading, listening to music, traveling, and enhancing my knowledge. I would like to take part in Forever Mrs. India 2021 because I would like to know more of myself. I joined this pageant to have a sense of achievement and fulfillment. Likewise, the excitement I may experience and memories I make here are beyond measure in worth for widening my social horizon and understanding of people. Likewise, it is a great privilege and honor to become one of the candidates of Forever Mrs. India 2021. If I will be crowned as Forever Mrs. India 2021, the very first thing I will do is to thank God and my beloved husband. Nothing could be more important than celebrating my beautiful things that happen.
Okay. Your video stopped a little, but I think we are good to go. Thank you so much, Ashna. It was lovely hearing from you, and I loved how prepared you were with what you wanted to convey. There was a lot of clarity, and that is always appreciated, and also, immensely great confidence for that matter.
Thank
So
you.
now, let's start your journey towards the crown. Let's see you walking in the, on the ramp.
Yeah. Yeah, just a second.
Sure.
I'll just take my husband's help or to hold the phone. Would you
Sure,
mind?
absolutely. Makes sense.
Thank you.
पीछे आगे लाइट नहीं है कहाँ बाहर
Hello, ma'am.
That's perfect. No, I think you should move it like this. Yeah. Hi.
Okay, Ashna, though I could not see your work, but I could see that maybe your kid didn't want you to do that ramp walk. Yes?
Yeah. He was in
Okay,
middle.
okay, no problem. That's why I would not ask you to do it again. You can do it here? Okay, perfect.
Yeah, just a second.
Hmm. All right, Ashna, thank you so much. First of all, let me just compliment you on your presentation skills. The way you talked about yourself was
Thank you.
commendable. I like how optimistic you are when you, towards the end when you said that when I become forever Mrs. India winner, then this is what I'm going to do. This is how I'll be feeling. So I love that optimistic way of expressing yourself. And
Thank you.
secondly, your ramp walk was okay. I understand that there was a problem of space also because you had to come inside. But let me just tell you that we have 150 plus experts here on the FCR community, and it includes ramp walk experts, motivational speakers, and a lot of other profiles also. So once you are on board, and once you receive your audition report and you clear this audition, these trainers are going to groom you. These trainers are going to train you in becoming the best version of yourself. So as I say, your presentation skills are really good, but if you are selected, we will certainly be working on your ramp walk, right? So thank you so much,
Sure.
and fingers crossed. Just wait for your audition.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Request you to mute yourself so that there is no need to find another speak. And let's move forward to Shalvi. Hi, Shalvi. Shalvi, आप म्यूट पे हैं.
Hello.
Hi. कैसे
Hello, ma'am. I'm good. How are you? Looking so pretty.
Thank you. How sweet. And I am good too. Thank you for asking. I would request you to start with your introduction.
Okay, ma'am. Myself, good evening to all of you. Myself, Shalvi Pathania. I'm from Himachal Pradesh. In Himachal, I'm daughter of District Mandi and daughter-in-law of District Kangra. I am in professionally. I am doing working as an operation theater assistant in a government hospital. My highest qualification is Masters in Psychology, and my loving hubby name is Mr. Deepak Chandev, and working as an engineer in a merchant navy. My hobbies are doing painting and writing poems. I would like to thank FCR Star Forever for providing such a beautiful platform to us and show our talent. If I want this crown, because for men these words like nothing is impossible, because the word itself says I am possible. Because I belong to a small town, there this kind of facilities like dancing, yeah, extracurricular activities are not such available. But I want to show myself. I want to become an inspiration to my town that we have talent also. Thank you.
Thank you, Shalvi. Thank you so much. And again, I loved your clarity. I loved your presentation. You had it all prepared. looks
Thank
how
you, ma'am.
passionate you are about the pageant and about coming into it, and also your different streams that you have been into, psychology, and now you are assisting somebody in the government hospital, and now you want to explore the field of pageantry. So I think kudos to
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Indian women that you represent. So you are already an inspiration. So now let's have your work.
Okay, ma'am. I will just try in this space. Okay, just a minute. Uh,
शाल्वी, आपका फ्रेम में सिर्फ लेग्स दिख रहे हैं.
okay, 1 minute.
आप थोड़ा बीच में सेट कर सकती हैं. Yeah, better.
Better?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shalvi. Thank you so much for appearing for today's audition. As said by Harry, I totally loved your presentation, the way you talked about yourself, because again, confidence is the key. When you're confident about yourself, when you're confident about what you're doing in life, so it totally shows on your face. It totally shows when you're talking about it. Secondly, coming to your ramp walk, I totally love the attire that you've chosen. Your footwear is fine, and it's perfect. It's totally apt for today's audition. But coming to your ramp walk, the movement of your hands, the movement of your body could be a little more precise. Yeah, you were just randomly walking. Your hand movement was not according to a ramp walk. So yes, once you're on board, I'm sure the trainers can train you how to do a better ramp walk. But
Okay, ma'am.
overall, you were
Okay,
good,
ma'am.
Shalvi. So hoping to see you in the training
Thank you,
session.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Shalvi, moving forward, let's hear it from Tarannum. Hi, Tarannum.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine. And
Finally,
what about
you have been, I think, scheduled for 2 or 3 auditions. Finally, I see you. How are you doing?
what to say, ma'am? Nothing could be done.
Okay. Yeah. Are you feeling okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm okay.
So let's hear it about you. अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए, please.
I am Tanu from Kolkata. And I'm 18 years old, studying in for college first year, and CA aspirants also, chartered accountant student. And my hobbies are singing. I love to singing a song and traveling, as I want to explore the world. And the biggest one is to be a model. And I think the main question is why I created. So मैं इस फील्ड को एक्सप्लोर करना चाहती हूँ, and I want to become the best version of myself. I want to improve my personality, look more confident, and I want to represent my city, state, and I want to show I want to show my people that मैं भी कुछ कर सकती हूँ, मैं ब्यूटी पेजेंट्स में जा सकती हूँ. एंड आई थिंक लाइफ में खुद की आइडेंटिटी होना बहुत जरूरी है. वो आइडेंटिटी ना हो तो पीपल आर वैल्यूलेस. सो दैट्स व्हाई.
Makes perfect sense, Tarannum. And आप already कुछ करने की राह पर चल चुकी हैं. सबसे पहला स्टेप आज आपका ऑडिशन कंप्लीट हुआ है, so it's a good thing. And
for giving me 4 date of audition.
हो जाता है कई बार टेक्निकल इश्यूज की वजह से. डोंट वरी, अभी शुरू हो गया, so there is no looking back, right? So now I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Sure, ma'am. Let me fix my camera.
Yeah, go ahead.
Let me start. Is it okay, ma'am?
Okay, Taranum, thank you so much. You can sit back comfortably. So thank you for appearing for today's audition. And let me just tell you that your introduction was fine, but your ramp walk was very, very casual, right? जब हम कुछ भी करते हैं, so we need to put in our 100% into that, right?
Yes.
Fine, that you do not know the technicalities of ramp walk, that is fine. But you have to act a little serious while you're doing something. So when you were doing a ramp walk, आप बहुत ही casually ठीक है बस walk करना है. So a lot of training needs to be done there. I'm sure जो trainers हैं और जो experts हैं उनसे आप काफी कुछ अभी सीख सकते हैं. You are at a very basic level. So yes, all the best from my side.
Thank you.
Thank you, Taranum. Thank you so much. Let's hear it from Neha Shinde. Hi, Neha.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine. And how are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Please अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Neha Shinde. I'm from Maharashtra. Ma'am, आप सुन रही हैं? मेरा आवाज आ रहा है? Okay. I'm from Maharashtra. I'm mother of 2 kids. I'm 38 years old. और मैं यहाँ पर हूँ ताकि ऑब्वियसली मुझे खुद की आइडेंटिटी बनानी है. मैं हाउस वाइफ हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं भी कुछ कर सकती हूँ और मुझे ये चांस मिला है और मुझे ये करके दिखाना है, तो मैं पूरा अपने तरफ से कोशिश करूंगी और मुझे ये जीतना है. थैंक यू.
ओके नेहा, आपकी हॉबीज क्या क्या है? आपको क्या करना अच्छा लगता है?
सॉरी मैम. हाँ,
नो प्रॉब्लम.
मेरी हॉबीज है ट्रैवलिंग. मुझे ट्रैवलिंग करना बहुत पसंद है और फ्रेंड्स बनाना भी मुझे बहुत पसंद है. और इस कंपटीशन के लिए और एक्साइटमेंट है कि जो जयपुर जाना होगा और वहाँ पर बहुत सारी फ्रेंड्स भी मिलेंगी. ये भी एक एक्साइटमेंट है मेरे लिए, तो मैं जाना चाहती हूँ वहाँ पर.
वाह, आप पहली पार्टिसिपेंट हैं जो अपने प्लान्स पूरे सॉर्ट करके बैठी हैं. कि मैं तो जयपुर जाने वाली हूँ दिसंबर में, एंड आई एम श्योर दैट इट विल कम थ्रू. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग सो ऑनेस्ट एंड ट्रांसपेरेंट. आई अप्रिशिएट दैट. आल्सो यू हैव अ लवली स्माइल, सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू स्टार्ट विद योर रैंप वॉक.
यस मैम.
गो अहेड.
Thank you, Neha. Thank you so much. First of all, congratulations on completing your audition successfully. And yeah, the excitement I could totally see when you said I really want to visit Jaipur and meet my friends. और फिर आपने ramp walk में music भी चलाया. So you are the first participant. You're the first candidate today who has actually played music while doing this ramp walk. So this shows how mindful you are of what you're doing, right? And that's really important. As I said earlier also कि हम जो भी करते हैं उसमें हमें अपना 100% देना चाहिए. Understand कि आपका ramp walk है उसमें भी हम काफी improvement कर सकते हैं. But the way you were enjoying it, the way you were just going with the flow, you turned on the music. So it shows that whatever you do or whatever you're going to do in life, you will be putting in your 100%. So all the best from my side. I'm totally seeing you in the training sessions. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Neha. Now let's hear it from the one with the username iPad. Can you please unmute yourself and tell me your name?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, can I please have your name?
Yeah. So I'm Purvi. I'm 27 years young. And thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to present myself here.
Purvi, you have lovely hair, first of all,
Thank you so much.
And okay, go ahead. Would love to hear your introduction as well.
Yeah. So my name is Purvi. I'm 27 years young and I'm engineer by profession and an actress by choice. So I am always inclined towards, art. So art when it comes to dancing, modeling and acting. So my passion is acting. And why I'm always inclined towards art? Because I believe that, job can fill your pocket or makes your pocket happy. But when it comes to, connect to your soul, when it comes to, when you're happy to your heart. So art is something which can make that. So I think that is the reason I am always inclined towards the art form. I love dancing and I love acting and I love, modeling as well. And I wanted to be, I participated in this Miss India contest. I always wanted to get crowned with this Miss India contest, Miss India, because of, major two reasons. So the first reason I would say is like, I wanted to be an inspiration for all those, who have left their dream or, due to some maybe genuine reason who had to leave their dreams, left their passion and do some other things. So I would say them, okay, you can do other things as well. As I'm also doing job, I'm also a working profession. And you can, carry on with your passion or dream, and it's never too late. You can start anytime. So that's the thing. Another thing in the personal front is that, I love acting. I'm very passionate about acting. I have also learned acting with, professional acting with Dramala Institute, Pune. So I think this is a very good platform to be a good model and to be a good actress. So that's the thing. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Purvi. Thank you so much for putting it out so transparently what your aspirations are. And, I appreciate that a lot. Now, of course, let's start, with your round walk.
Sure. Just a second.
Sure.
Please just let me know if I'm, visible properly. Otherwise, I'll just readjust it.
No, I think your frame is perfect, Purvi. You can go ahead.
Okay. Can you see?
Yes, you're visible.
Or I'm too far?
Perfect.
So can you see me?
Yes, Purvi, I can see you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Purvi. Thank you. It was lovely hearing from you. And let's move forward to Ritu. Okay, I think I have to cater to Vaishali first. I'm so sorry, Ritu. Vaishali has to leave, so I would have to, give her the first chance. Hi, Vaishali. Can you please have?
It's okay, ma'am.
Thank you. How sweet. Hi, Vaishali. How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. And you have your NCC meeting, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, jury and judges. And hello, ma'am. Good evening to all of you. Myself, Vishali God. I belong to Shaheedon Ki Nagari, Shahjahanpur, UP. And I'm pursuing my master's in forensic science from Galgotias University, Greater Noida. And I'm a model by passion and a student of forensic science by profession. My hobbies are acting and modeling, visiting, and I like visiting new places. I have 3 achievements in modeling. First, runner-up of Miss Lucknow 2019, finalist of Miss Manalial 2K20, and star face of the year 2019. And here, just because I belongs to a city, a small town, actually, Shahjahanpur, where many girls want to try their career in modeling, but वहाँ के लोग मतलब like उनको try नहीं करने देते हैं. I just want to be an example for that those girls, and the one and only goal of my life is that कि everyone knows that I am daughter of मतलब like everyone just want that वो लोग अपने पेरेंट्स के नाम से जाने जाते हैं, but I just want that मेरे पेरेंट्स को मेरे नाम से जाना जाए and मेरे पेरेंट्स proudly बोल सकें that she is our daughter and we are her proud parents. That is one goal of my life I want to achieve. Thank you. And thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you.
Sense, Vishali. I understand, the passion in you from making your family proud, and you want to become an inspiration, because usually hota hai, the glamour world is associated to a lot of stereotypes and negativity for that matter. Let's all be
Yes, ma'am.
But I'm sure you would have understood that it's all a women-oriented platform that you're getting onto, and you will be making your parents proud for sure. So,
thank
Vishali,
you so much.
Have your ramp walk?
Yeah, sure. यहाँ पे और कैमरा ऑन कर देना.
अब पीछे से या फिर
हाँ विशाली दिखाई दे रहा है. You can start with your ramp walk.
Thank you, Vishali. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Vishali. Congratulations on completing your audition today. And let me just tell you, you're looking very pretty in black. And you did the ramp walk. आपके पास अच्छा खासा space था. So I personally loved your ramp walk. It showed that you have an idea कैसे करना है. The way you were twirling, the way you were taking your positions, your poses were really good. So from my side, yes, it's a go ahead. All the best and see you in the training sessions.
Thank you so much. Thank you from all my heart. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so just to save up the time and जिनका wind up हो गया है, we will be talking about the platform first, and do not worry, जिनका भी complete नहीं हुआ है, we will be taking yours in the end so that it remains a mediator part. So, I would like to congratulate everybody who has completed. This is your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. Thank you so much. It was an absolute pleasure hearing from each one of you. And by this time, I'm sure all of you must have realized that आप लोग सब बहुत different background से हो, बहुत different सपने हैं. But एक चीज जो हम सबको बांध रही है, especially for all you women, is the idea to create a unique identity for themselves. अपनी एक अलग पहचान बनाना और इस respective field के through वो पहचान achieve करना. So, I would again like you all to welcome to, Forever Star India. This is your first step, and we are very, very happy and immensely delighted to welcome all you guys. Nitisha, don't worry. This is just a mid brief, ताकि जैसे आप लोगों ने हमें अपने बारे में बताया, we would also like you all to know कि आप किस तरह के platform पे आने वाले हो. So to, take the heads up first there, the idea would be, Vaishali, you can hear for the, a brief part, and then you can leave. Just wait for like 5 more minutes, please. Okay. All right. So, re-emphasizing the part. So, आज आपका, audition complete होता है, which is, like I mentioned earlier, is the first step into the journey of Forever Star India. So, congratulations to each one of you, and you will be receiving an audition report sent to you virtually via either email or WhatsApp. Now, why an audition report? Because see, I'm sure at Subha Uthe, you gathered a lot of courage, you chose the right dress, you chose, the kind of makeup that you wanted to do, and बहुत हौसला इकट्ठा करना पड़ता है, हिम्मत इकट्ठी करनी पड़ती है to talk to a virtual, to talk to absolute stranger on a virtual platform about yourself. So effort तो आया, right? चाहे वो बहुत शुरुआत में है, but effort तो आया. Now, to appreciate that effort, we will be sending out the audition reports, which will act like a certificate. They will be sent to you within 24 to 48 hours, and each of you will be receiving it, no matter if you clear the audition or not. Now, the audition report serves the purpose of telling you कि पहले आप select हुए हैं या नहीं हुए हैं, and of course, why, what is the reason that we have selected you for. Because eventually, to kickstart a journey, even if you are selected, किसी भी journey को शुरुआत करने के पहले, you need to know where do you stand, what are your weak points, what are your high points that you need to work upon for, growing into that journey. So that's the idea that Forever Star India represents, the kind of transparency, because you need to know what was the output that came out of this input for you today. Exactly. All right. And on the same lines, once you clear the audition, you become a participant, a member of our community. Now, मैंने शुरू में ही बोला था that this is not just a pageant, it is a community that we are dealing here with, that we will be associating with you for a period of lifetime. Because eventually, and to emphasize, क्या आप लोगों ने अपना नाम कभी Google किया है? I'm sure बहुत लोगों ने नहीं किया होगा, because हमें लगता है कि यार हम अपना नाम Google क्यों करें, हम बड़ा personalities हैं. लेकिन what if I tell you कि जैसे ही आप लाइफ टाइम मेंबर बनते हैं, आपकी जो प्रोफाइल क्रिएट होगी हमारी वेबसाइट पे, तो जैसे ही सपोज आशना संदेश, शालवी पठानिया, पूर्वी, ऋतु, आप लोग अपना नाम गूगल पे डालेंगे तो आपको अपनी प्रोफाइल और अपना नाम टॉप पे मिलेगा. साइकोलॉजिकली आपको समझ आता होगा कि सबसे पहले हम पहला लिंक खोलते हैं गूगल पे कुछ भी सर्च करके. So exactly, imagine yourself amongst, thousands of Ritus on, Google, thousands of Purvis on Google. Imagine finding your name on the top of Google. तो सबसे पहली जो, आपकी अलग पहचान बनाने की जिम्मेदारी थी, वो तो हमने यहीं पूरी कर दी. And moving forward on the same lines, you will be a lifetime member of the platform, which will ensure that you will be receiving all kinds of, opportunities associated to us. एक एग्जाम्पल आपके सामने है. Rachel has started 2 months back, and today she was here with us as a mentor, with somebody from a position of authority with experience. So this is the kind of opportunity and the confidence we intend to build in women who are really, really passionate and want to create a unique identity for themselves. And of course, there will be many other benefits. Each of you will be receiving a unique hard copy certificate of participation, a sash of your own, and all of this will be irrespective of you winning or not. And now, of course, who better than the director of Forever Star India, to talk about the platform, who she has been nourishing from months and months like a baby. So over to you, Kirti ma'am. And I guess, it's time that you talk about the platform in more detail.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Harry, for allowing me. And thank you for talking about the plethora of benefits that this community, this platform has to offer. I'm sure आप इतने सारे जो benefits एक साथ सुनते हो ऐसे लगता है ना इतनी सारी चीजें कैसे मिल सकती है हमें. So let me just tell you, none of you is dreaming. This is happening in real. This community is in real. And, the participants who have been a part of this platform for the last, say, 1 year, 1.5, 2 years, they have been experiencing all of it for, this time now. And there's a lifetime to go. Because as soon as you clear the audition, and you become an official participant of Forever Miss and Forever Mrs. India 2021. So you become a lifetime member of this community, right? And what are the benefits? मतलब lifetime member बन के आपको ये सारी चीजें मिलती है. Like some of you said, I want to be an actor, I want to be a model. So trust me, when we will be launching our own OTT platform towards the end of 2022, you will be the ones who will be approached directly without any middlemen in between. वरना normally होता है ना, मुंबई जाके जब हम अपना first break लेना चाहते हैं, that's the most difficult thing to do. But if you are here on this platform, if you're capable enough and you have shown the mettle that you have, then this platform will approach you directly and you will be getting direct opportunities. Now, coming to the process of the selection of Miss and Mrs. India, let me just tell you that starting from the time when you receive your audition report and you complete your participation process, we will be instantly starting with your training and grooming sessions. और कैसे होगी आपकी training and grooming? Just the way you're sitting across the screen right now on Zoom, your training and grooming sessions will happen in the same manner virtually, right? Because we do not want to risk your lives at least till the month of December, and the situation is going to be a little better till then. In fact, it will be perfect till then, right? So tab tak hum kya karenge? When I say we have 150 plus experts, motivational speakers are going to train you that how you should be talking about yourself more confidently, how you should be inspiring yourself every day, because here your competition is not with each other. Trust me, Shalvi, we are not going to compare you with Ritu, or for that matter with Ashna. Here your progress is with respect to your own self. आप day by day gradually जो progress करेंगे उसके basis पे आपको judge किया जाएगा, right? And then you will be appearing for your talent rounds. So firstly we'll be training you. When I say आपका ramp walk अगर average है तो पहले आपको ramp walk expert train करेगा, उसके बाद you'll be appearing for your ramp walk round, right? When I say आपका presentation skills थोड़ा सा average है, so a motivational speaker and image consultant is first going to train you that how you should be talking about yourself, and then you will be appearing for that specific round. Firstly we will be preparing you, then you'll be appearing, then again preparation and appearing. Now, at the end of these 2.5-3 months, towards the month of December, as Ashna said, I guess Ashna only said that she wants to visit Jaipur, right? So the grand finale happens in the month of December, sorry, from 17th to 20th, where we will be crowning all the winners at each level. Whether you become a winner at city level or you become a winner at state level, you will be coming all the way to Jaipur for the grand finale, where celebrities are going to be there. You are going to wear beautiful couture gowns, fashion designers will be there, makeup artists are going to be there, and you will be walking down the ramp and wearing that beautiful crown in the most beautiful cities of our country, right? So ये मैं आपको अभी क्यों बता रही हूँ? Because आपका जो motivation level है वो उस पे depend करता है कि finally क्या होने वाला है. मैं city level पे winner बनूंगी तो क्या होगा? Virtually हो रहा है? No, the announcement happens virtually, but the crowning happens offline, right? So you have this time of 3 months to prepare yourselves in becoming a better version of yourself, and then we'll be seeing you finally in December in Jaipur. Now, in order to complete the participation process, there is a specific fee of 4,000 rupees plus GST. This 4,000 plus GST, only those of you are supposed to pay who complete the audition, who clear the audition. यानी कि आप लोगों में से आज जो भी audition clear करेगा, you will be paying this minimal amount of 4,000 plus GST, which includes everything that I've mentioned, right? Starting from your lifetime membership, your training and grooming sessions, your specialized training, and the business opportunities that you are going to get further. Now, with respect to this, if there's anything that you would want to know, please feel free to ask us any questions. And after that, post that, those who are done with the auditions, you can leave the meeting and we can move further with the auditions then. Thank you.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you so much, ladies. It was an absolute pleasure talking to each one of you. Really looking forward to see you guys in the training sessions. So basically, Ashna, Shalvi, Purvi, Tarannum, Neha, Vishali, आप लोग meeting quit कर सकते हो. Okay. Bye bye. See you guys soon. All right. Let's hear from Ritu. Hi, Ritu. Ritu, can you hear me?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, कैसी हैं आप?
Me? Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, now you are audible. आपका network बीच में buffer हो गया था. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can I please
Yeah.
have an introduction?
Yeah, why not? Good evening, jury. Hello, friends. I am Dr. M. Ritu Rakesh. I am 39 years, proud, versatile Indian. I belong from City of Heritage. It's Swachh Indore, MP. I am a businesswoman. I have done my doctorate in nutrition. And from past 7 years, I am an interior designer and I'm proprietor of my company. Name is Vamni Creation. We provide a total interior solution. I am so proud to be a mother of beautiful daughter and a loving wife. I am a struggler, successor, and a trendsetter. Modeling is my passion when I started my journey at my teens. But being the elder daughter, and I encountered very soon family responsibilities. It's been financial responsibilities. So from past 22 years, I am keep on working. So somewhere I just lost my path, or you can say that for the livelihood, I have done many journey. It's a long journey. But then now I got time. So one can say that you can kill your dreams, but never your passion. So I'm here to fulfill my passion. And I must say that time to time in my path, all my God, all my friends like you helped me a lot to prove myself forward. And my hobbies are dancing, decorating places, updating myself. I have changed year by year, and I'm very happy and grateful that I find a better person in me. And as I started, I once again I would like to thank you, Forever 21, that giving me a platform. It's a beginning. I want to represent India in the international level as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ritu. First of all, you look lovely. You know,
Thank you so
I
much.
love the way you presented yourself, and I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Yeah, thank you. Just a second, ma'am.
Sure.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you.
Thank you. And I would move on, and you are free to go. Thank you. Have a lovely evening ahead.
Thank you. Hello.
Let's hear it.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, Ritu. I thought I'll just
Thank you for
compliment you.
interviewing.
Your walk was amazing. The confidence with which you were walking was amazing. It did not really seem
Thank you so
like,
much.
you know, have you ever participated in a beauty pageant before?
Actually, ma'am, I on 2019 and 20, I got selected in Mrs. Elixir India. But then because due to pandemic, I have a very little daughter. She is 6 years old. At that time, she was 4 years old. So after passing the audition, I don't have choice to go there because it was pandemic. So I have to take care of my kids and family. They come first. Now it's a time to move on.
Of course, there are some decisions which need to be taken at the appropriate time.
But
yes,
as I told that early on my teenagers, I was doing modeling.
Right. So yes, again, you look lovely. Your attire looks beautiful, and your ramp walk was really good. So yes, hoping to see you for the training sessions. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Ritu. Let's hear it from Manisha. Hi, Manisha. How are you? Manisha, आप म्यूट पे हैं.
Hello. Hello. Is this audible to you?
Yes, yes, you are on.
First of all, I would like to thank you, this Forever Mrs. India contest, and to God for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself to you. So I would just want to introduce myself. I am Manisha Konswal Raturi. I am 33 years old, and I belong from the land of God, Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand. My name Manisha, which means a decisive wisdom or determined knowledge, and which I really possess in me. My background includes my graduation and post-graduation, both in engineering. And I'm a convent educated girl, but currently I'm employed as an assistant engineer in state government owned power generating enterprise. I'm a dedicated person also, successfully raising family of 3, me, my husband, and my loving son, Ayansh. Also, I would like to say you that I really attribute my this success to my upbringings, my education, my parents, and my wisdom. I have an ability to approach to have challenges in a positive approach. But apart from my this job and homemaking, I love dance, yoga, music, and travel. But my biggest source of inspiration is my mother, because she has every time she encourages me and fully supporting my decision. And for me, traditional values are most important to me. And at last, I would like to quote the beautiful lines of C.J. Lewis that you're never too old to set another goal, to dream a new dream. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Manisha. First of all, I appreciate you taking out some extra time because Jaya did tell me that you took an
Actually, right now, before 1 hour before only I came from office, I have very hectic schedule also, and I am the only girl in this department who have raised this opportunity. That's why everybody used to say that how you are managing this thing.
Perfect. Don't worry. You did absolutely well, and it was totally worth it. Thank you so much for taking out the time. I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Sure, sure.
Thank you, Manisha. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking to you, and you can take off and rest for a while. Jaya will be handling over from here on. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's hear it from Aisha. Hi, Aisha. रितु जी, आप भी मीटिंग लीव कर सकते हैं. आपका ऑडिशन इज कंप्लीटेड. आपने प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में सुन ही लिया था, आई एम श्योर. सो यू आर फ्री टू गो. हाय हाय
मैम. Thank you so much.
Hi, ma'am.
कैसी हैं आप?
Ma'am, I'm okay.
ओके, प्लीज अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
My name is Aisha Verma. My age is 16 years old. My hobby is modeling. My hobby is, ma'am.
Okay, आप इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे you want to become what? You want to become a model इस प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, मॉडलिंग के अलावा आपको कुछ पसंद है? किसी चीज का शौक है?
Yes, ma'am. Dancing पसंद है.
ओके, वंडरफुल आयशा. आयशा बहुत खूबसूरत है. You have a lovely face. I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Yes, Aisha, you can start. Thank you, Aisha. Thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you, and आप wait कीजिए अपनी audition report का. Okay? Thank you. Let's hear it from Khushi. Hi, Khushi. खुशी अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए.
Okay, ma'am.
Hi, Khushi. How are you?
I am fine, ma'am. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Please अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Myself, Khushi Kumawat. I am from Bikaner, Rajasthan. My hobbies are dancing, singing, traveling, making reels on Insta, cooking, and modeling.
Okay.
My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. प्रॉपर बीकानेर से नहीं हूँ मैं. बीकानेर के पास छोटा सा गांव पड़ता है नौरंगदेसर, वहां से हूँ मैं.
ओके एंड आप इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे अपने मॉडलिंग का सपना पूरा करना चाहती हैं?
यस मैम, क्योंकि जो मेरे फादर है उनका मानना है कि तू बस पढ़ाई कर, ये मॉडलिंग तेरे लिए बनी हुई नहीं है. तो मैं उनको यही मतलब फील करवाना है, उनको यही साबित करना है कि इम्पॉसिबल कुछ ही नहीं है पापा, सारा कुछ पॉसिबल हो सकता है, बस आप सपोर्ट करो.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने खुशी, और इसमें आपने पहला कदम ऑलरेडी रख लिया है एंड यू विल बी प्रूविंग योर वर्थ.
क्योंकि घर वालों का सपोर्ट होना बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है, उनके सपोर्ट के बिना कुछ नहीं होता.
आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, बट आई एम श्योर आप रोल मॉडल बनेंगी और एग्जाम्पल सेट करेंगी कि कैसे अपनी चाह के हिसाब से कोई भी फील्ड अप्रोप्रिएट हो सकती है. सो खुशी, कैन वी हैव योर रैम वॉक प्लीज?
या मैम.
आयशा, आपका ऑडिशन कंप्लीट है, यू कैन लीव द मीटिंग.
ओके मैम. थैंक यू मैम.
बाय बाय.
बाय मैम.
Thank you, Khushi. Thank you so much. Thank you. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके, and I'm sure you know हम आपको इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे जल्दी आगे मिलेंगे. Thank you. All the best. Yeah. Okay, let's hear it from Nitisha. Hi, Nitisha.
So, ma'am.
Can I please have your video? Yeah, hi Nitisha, you have a lovely face. Why was your video off?
Thank you, ma'am. वो interruption हो जाता है, इस चक्कर में video off रहता.
Okay, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I am good. Now looking at you, I'm even better. Now tell me more about yourself.
Okay. असफलता एक चुनौती है, स्वीकार करो. क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो. जीवन आसान नहीं है, लेकिन जिंदगी की यही बात सबसे बेहतरीन है, क्योंकि मेहनत और लगन से मिली सफलता और खुशी सबसे मीठी होती है. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम नितिशा शर्मा है. मैं बरेली उत्तर प्रदेश से हूँ. मैं 22 वर्ष की हूँ और पत्रकारिता की स्टूडेंट हूँ. घूमना, लिखना, डांस करना मुझे बेहद पसंद है और मैं खाली टाइम में लिखना पसंद करती हूँ, लेकिन मॉडलिंग मेरा ट्रू पैशन है. जिंदगी का मेरा सिर्फ एक ही मंत्र है, कड़ी मेहनत, दृढ़ निश्चय और पक्का इरादा. धन्यवाद.
Thank you. In fact, you know, I love your flow in Hindi that you maintained.
Thank you, ma'am.
We do not see people doing that so often. So loved that, and loved your confidence also. Of course, you have a lovely face. So let's start with your rap work. I don't think there is any reason.
Sure, ma'am. I only have one phone, so I can't play the music.
No,
Sorry for that.
That was not a compulsion. It was just an added thing. And I'm sure when we'll have the ramp walk round with you after your training, you will be all set to play the music.
Okay, let's start.
Thank you, Nitisha. You just
Thank you,
created
ma'am.
kind of flow, with the performance, and you chose the right kind of heels for that matter. I noticed you were wearing stilettos, and that's the right kind of heel that you use for ramp walk.
Yes.
इतना training में बैठ के मुझे भी थोड़ा समझ आ गया है, although I'm not a participant.
Right.
And thank you, Nitisha. It was lovely talking to you, and really looking forward to see you in the training sessions with your lovely smile.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Nirali. Can we please have your audio and video?
हेलो मैम.
हाय निराली जी, आपकी बारी आ ही गई. आपने अपना वीडियो बीच में ऑफ कर लिया, सो इट वेंट इनटू नीचे. सो हाउ आर यू? टेल कैसी हैं आप?
आई एम फाइन. हाउ आर यू?
आई एम गुड. नाउ टेल मी मोर अबाउट योरसेल्फ. अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
मेरा नाम अध्यारू निराली है. मैं गुजरात से हूँ, अमरेली से.
ओके.
और मिस इंडिया बनना और मिस इंडिया में पार्टिसिपेट करना. थैंक यू सो मच.
ओके निराली, टेल मी आपकी हॉबीज क्या-क्या है? व्हाट डू यू एंजॉय एज एन इंडिविजुअल?
मेरी हॉबी मॉडलिंग, डांसिंग.
ओके, वंडरफुल. तो आपकी मॉडलिंग की जो हॉबी है उसको थोड़ा देखा जाए. 2 राउंड ऑफ रैंप वॉक करें?
हाँ.
चलिए.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nirali. You have a very, very positive vibe. आपकी smile बहुत positive है. And I'm really looking forward to see you in the, training sessions. All the very best. अपने audition report का wait करें and have a lovely evening ahead. Goodbye.
Thank you.